Hi, today we are going to discuss about ACDB or distribution board or main incoming panel or PCC. There are multiple names by which we call these panels. So if you have a typical factory which has about 200 kVA transformer and it will have a DG, so what kind of a panel do you need? So what kind of a main incoming panel do you need? So this is a typical power distribution main incoming panel that you will have. For example, it has a main incoming of 400 ampere MCCB as a grid incomer. Then it has another incomer which is the DG incomer, which may be for 200 kVA, so 320 ampere MCCB. And these are both mechanically and electrically interlocked, so that at any given point of time only one incomer will be active. So either the DG will be supplying or the grid will be supplying. There will be no other short circuit. You cannot have both the supplies supplying at the same time. So two incomers, then you have one bus bar section where both of these are terminating, and after that then you have the outcomers. In this, for example, the client wants ampere, this is for a laminator, for a die cutting machine, for an air compressor, for single phaser 1, 2 and 3. Since these are the higher loads, these have inbuilt ampere meters here, and the ones that are smaller loads don't have ampere meters. Then for power correction, we need to have capacitors which switch on and switch off automatically. So then you have a automatic power factor correction relay. Is it visible here? Can you see the power factor correction relay? Now this power factor correction relay will automatically correct the power factor, switch on and switch off the capacitors. However, in case the power factor relay is not working, you can still switch on the capacitors by push buttons. This enclosure is made out of 2 mm thick CRCA sheet and then powder coated to, let's say, about 80 micron. And the total design life of the system is about 15 to 20 years. But generally, if you see, you will not face any problem in this for the next 5-7 years, if the cabling is done correctly and if the termination is done correctly. For cabling, there is a separate cable relay here and at this end. For example, this incomer, main incomer cabling will come in from here, terminate here, and then it will be supplied to the MCCB and from there to bus bar. And a cable coming from this generator here into this MCCB and then supplying. And all of the load is being supplied from this bus bar. So you have a 50,000 ampere, 50 kA rated aluminium bus bar, which is rated for the higher of these two ratings, in this case 400 ampere, with a current density of 1 ampere per mm. And similarly, it has a temperature rise capability. It has this box is IP54 class box, which means normal dust and normal moisture will not get into it, will not destroy this panel. So this is something that will last for a very long time without any problem. And all you need to do is install it correctly and make sure it is terminated correctly. Right? Thank you. Bye.